Alrighty, what is going on, everybody? Did it climb over? I am in my mom's car today, and we are washing the car. Oh, hi. We're washing the car, and I wanted to show you an up-front view of washing the car. She's washing the left driver's side. Oops, I just put the car into snow mode, economy mode. My mom has lost how many miles of range? 2 miles of range for the car sitting here for 30 minutes. Windshield just got fogged up. How does that look on the camera? Hang on. That's what it looks like. This is going away. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to translate the air. Can you see the touch screen? Yep. To the back seat. So you might hear a little bit of air in the car when I'm filming this video. That is because I have the air system. So, oh, my mom's got the rear window. Can you see that rear view mirror? No, but you can see my face. What's up? What is up, guys? So my mom is currently cleaning the rear window of the car. And yeah, so we're gonna get an up front view. I'm gonna tell her to go ahead and clean the windshield for a little bit of content. Go ahead, spray down the windshield. Alright, she said it'd be a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and get outside the car. So sorry if you hear a lot of air in here, but that's the air ventilation system. I'll be back, guys. I'll be back. I'll get the wipers going and I'll start spraying down the windshield. Alright guys, I'm gonna get some more stuff on the windshield, some more soap, and then we'll rinse it off. I'll give you a countdown when I say, I'll give you a countdown with the horn. Oh! 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 Ew! Oh! Dude, this thing is just like a car wash. Dude, this is like a fireworks show, but just with windshield wipers. Wait. On it! Get it on! Get it on the windshield! Turn it to a different setting! Switch it to the full mode or whatever it is. Oh. Yeah. So, it's driving down the windshield. Hey, Mom! Okay. She needs a second. So I got the windshield wipers going because this drop of water just hates to go away. What keeps leaking off the stinking windshield? Okay, it's soaking me with water. Oh, that was close to hitting me. Okay. The seat is soaked. I'm gonna flick the windshield wipers. Okay. So, I'm gonna actually teach you how this car works. So, right here is the driver's airbag plus the horn. Here you got the cruise control. Different pages on this tiny little screen. You can switch what kind of pages you have with these buttons. This is what mode you have. You can answer a call or you can decline a call. This is the blinkers. You have off, auto, headlights, parking lights, and your headlights. And if you want your high beams, go ahead and pull back on this. But if you want to keep them on without you having to hold this in, turn on headlights, then push the high beam lever forwards. Then the high beams will stay on without me pressing it. Now, the next thing is the windshield wipers. It's this little knob normally at the right side of your steering wheel. If it's like an SUV for a truck, it'd probably be on the left side of the steering wheel. So, and the truck headlights would probably be like somewhere down here where this auto lane assist, cruise control, speed up, down is at. So, right here, you can see the wipers are off right now. But if I flick this down one, oops, that's two. If I flick it down one, it goes into INT, which stands for intermittent. Now, it will go every few seconds if you have it on INT, aka intermittent, on this little switch right here that says INT. Now, what you want to do, if you want your wiper to go every like 1 second, then you can select mist mode. So look, so it will go like stop for like 1 second, like half a second, and then deploy the windshield wipers once again. Off is like 3 seconds. Intermittent is like 5 seconds. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seconds for normal intermittent. Low, however, is, wait for the windshield wipers to deploy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seconds. And high, wait for the windshield wipers to deploy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 seconds for the slowest wiper, but we keep it on normal intermittent. Now, flick it down one more. You have low wiper speed, which is just back and forth. Now, flick it down one more. It goes into high, so it goes faster, the same as low, but just faster. And if you try to flick it down one more, holy crap! I just saw like a blue Ferrari GT3 driving down my subdivision. Holy mother. Bro, that was insane. I just saw a McLaren or like a Ferrari just drive down my road and just take a left turn. Who's in there? A celebrity? Now, if you flick this up once, you can get one wipe, or you can hold it there for as long as you want. And then let go when you want to stop your windshield wipers. Now, if you want the wiper fluid, actually, we'll get to that in a minute. The back wipers. If you have like an SUV, you might have a back wiper on your car. Now, unfortunately, a Tesla Model X does not have this. So if you want a Tesla Model X with a rear windshield wiper, ask Elon Musk. Now, you have to flick this forward. So right now there's off, there's low, and there's high. Oh, it's just a lawnmower. Alright, so low. Oops, I keep activating blinkers. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it takes about 4.5 seconds every wipe, and then high isn't like that fast. It's just like, so it's kind of like this. This is what it is. That's basically it, but it's just a tiny bit slower. And then for the wiper fluid, for the front windshield, you gotta pull this knob towards you this way. So like, if I was sitting here and the airbag deploys this way, that's the way you want to pull the lever. So you see the lever here? Pull this back. And then let go when you want to stop your fluid. Then your fluid will stop. If you want it for the back window. Unfortunately, I don't think I can get that angle, but I will try my best to get that angle. Also, I have it attached to the one. Mom, I saw like a Ferrari drive down the road.
It did.
Like a blue and white Ferrari. Hang on, don't spray the car yet. So, you look at the back window. Oh yeah, I didn't show you because I didn't want to take so much time. Here's low and here's high. Now, the wiper fluid, I have to pull this way. So say that wiper is my wiper switch. I have to, instead of pulling that towards me, I got to pull that away from me. And here we go. So I got to push it towards the front of the car. And then let go when you want your wipers to stop. Now, let's get back to spraying the windshield. Sorry, this is a 20-minute video. I did not plan for it to be this long. But, I'll be right back. I'm going to spray the windshield. Can't go in this door. Sorry if the wiper makes noise, but that's how it works. I'm going to spray the windshield. Okay, guys, so hang on, don't reel in the hose yet or turn it off. So, guys, I'm going to finish one last clip of one of my YouTube shorts. I got a new YouTube short of this car. It will be uploaded in about 2 minutes or so. And I got to get everything done. And I get the last clip for the short. So, I'm going to have all the water on the windshield. And then I'm going to get it done. So, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash a like down below. Like and subscribe. I already said like. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already. I reluctantly appreciate it. I don't even know what I just said. Alrighty. Also, massive yay to me. We hit 200 subscribers. I am so happy for that. That truck video was so funny of the guy falling over in the truck. Called This Man Took a Dip. So, yeah. So, I think that's going to wrap it up for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, once again, smash the like down below. Subscribe, comment, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Peace out, everybody.